The Khumalo sisters are at it again, and Uzandi posted to her Instagram, and this is the caption she wrote: "Dust settles, queens don't. Keep going, beautiful madams." Now, wait a minute. Whoa. My brain is going in overdrive. I'm really hoping when she says dust settles, she's not talking like from dust to dust, ashes to ashes. SENZO MEYIWA is that. Couldn't be. You know what? I'm going to give her the benefit of the doubt. She's not talking about SENZO MEYIWA at all. Cut. And surprise, after Kelly Khumalo's name has been mentioned more than once in the SENZO MEYIWA trial this week, Kelly Khumalo drops a new music video titled Isivikelo. And this is all in the middle of Mzansi calling for Kelly Khumalo's arrest at the very, very bare minimum, and Sergeant Maholo that is, having no idea why her arrest warrant was not issued, even though Gininda applied for the arrest warrant. But you know how Mzansi is. On the Mzansi streets, they want Kelly Khumalo to answer. But and I feel a little bit for her in terms of her launch, therefore, for this music video went on pretty much on the silent side. So there wasn't too much noise over it. I got to listen to it, open-minded. It's good to be open-minded. And it's a great song. I can definitely tell that was a high budget production. And it was filmed while she was still pregnant, as you can see with some of the creative cover-ups in what she wore. So let me know, Mzansi, have you had a chance to listen to her latest music release, Isivikelo, which is featuring Mbuso Khoza as well? It's a very interesting song. First of all, Kelly Khumalo is the self-proclaimed voice of Africa. I'm not even going to argue on that. The track that I like so much the most is Vazo Kuluma, and for me it's just hilarious because I feel it's talking about her always being trending. But this particular film editing that's happening, there's a lot of dark magic, there's a lot of AI going on, there's lightning striking, there's fireballs, there's, I don't know what these are, monks or whatever these are, some dark kind of stuff. And you can also see in her makeup and what she's wearing. I don't know if she's a goddess. I'm not sure what they were going for. And this is filmed in the desert, so I don't know if they filmed this in Namibia or they went all the way out there to Egypt. That would be pretty interesting to figure out, but it's definitely, in my opinion, a high budget production video, because there's a lot that went into it, and I think it's a phenomenal job. Let me know in the comment section if you think this year, 2024, is the year she will win a Sama award without fighting for it, without going live and crying that she should have won the award. Let me know in the comment section your thoughts on her latest release. But I want to know from you as well. Do you think that this music video is a distraction from the SENZO MEYIWA trial, the heat that is coming her way, or allegedly coming her way? Will she be called to the stand? Will she be called to the stand? Will the arrest warrant be finally issued? What exactly do you think is going on in the minds of the Khumalo sisters? As Zandi said, dust settles, queens don't. And now, speaking of the SENZO MEYIWA trial this week, a couple of comments that came up in my comment section from the videos this week is people, especially the Chico Twala videos, it kind of came up that why did Kelly Khumalo call Chico Twala? Why? Think about it. Why was he called? Is he a doctor? Is he a medical expert? What was the purpose of that phone call? Because Longwe Twala was not there. Longwe Twala has said it that he left, okay? He ran out way before SENZO MEYIWA was shot. So was Kelly Khumalo calling Chico Twala to say, hey, where's Longwe? We need Longwe to come back so we can come up with our alibi? Some other comments that came up were, why did Kelly Khumalo go on holiday? So why did Chico Twala pay for Kelly Khumalo to go on holiday? What are your thoughts, Mzansi, on those two questions with regards to the link between Kelly Khumalo and Chico Twala? And notice It's not Zandi Khumalo. Why was Chico Twala so invested in Kelly Khumalo? But Uzandi is the one who was dating Ulongwe. Those are some of the questions that came up in my comment section. Comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. And let's go into the next topic.
Thank you very much for that answer. Let's move forward. There is evidence which was led before this court regarding the warrant of arrest that was issued against Miss Kelly Khumalo. Do you remember that part of evidence?
My lord, I don't.
Are you aware? Do you know if there is any warrant of arrest that was issued against Miss Kelly Khumalo in this docket 636?
My
Is there or not?
As a God, please, I think issued is not the correct word. I think Brigadier Gininda did say there's a draft application.
That's what Gininda said. Eh?
Yes.
He said the draft is in the docket,
Yes.
if I recall the evidence.
Thank you, my lord. Thank you for correction. Are you aware of that?
Of the draft,
Yes.
the application for the warrant.
Yes.
Yes, I am aware, my lord, because I was briefed by Brigadier Gininda.
You are aware also as to why that application for that warrant of arrest has not been authorized against Miss Kelly Khumalo?
My lord, I am not aware.
There is also evidence which was tendered by Colonel Stein in this case of the communication between Miss Kelly Khumalo and Mr. Ntuli.
For the witness to press that.
But the question, is the question complete?
I'm waiting for the interpretation. There is evidence before this court which was tendered by Colonel Stein regarding the communication between the cell phone number alleged to have been used by Ms. Kelly Khumalo and the cell phone number alleged to be linked with Mr. Ntuli in this case.
The evidence. My lord, I'm not aware.
The State Counsel, Mr. Baloyi, when he was leading the examination in chief to Lieutenant Colonel House, he referred the witness to the same communication between Ms. Kelly Khumalo and Mr. Ntuli in this matter. Did you hear that when Mr. Baloyi was putting that to the witness?
I did not hear that, my lord.
If, for argument's sake, it will be proved or it can be said that there was a communication between Ms. Kelly Khumalo and Mr. Ntuli, is there an offense there? According to your knowledge as part of the investigating team in this case.
My lord, I have no comment.
Lastly, however, we've got another evidence in the statement made by accused number 1 which refers to other people who are not the accused before this court.
I hear you.
And we've got a person whose application draft for warrant of arrest is still pending since you investigated and submitted it in the NPA, that one of Ms. Kelly Khumalo, who is not before this court.
My lord, I cannot comment on that.
Okay, no problem. And we have another third set of a case docket of 375 referring to other suspects which are not before this court.
I hear you.
And we have the evidence which has been tendered before this court to say the accused before this court have been communicating each other. However, we have not, you as the investigating team, you have not filed the Section 205 records regarding those cell phone numbers.
My lord, when it comes to the Section 205, my lord, and other things, my lord, which I cannot comment on, my lord, I think, Counsel, you can put that question to the lead investigating officer.
Thank you very much. We'll wait and hear which other evidence does you as the investigating team have against the accused before this court. Thank you, my lord. I have no further questions.
And that was the voice of the infamous, or should I say now infamous, investigating officer, Sergeant Mahulo, who spent a lot of the time on the stand not knowing much of what she does at work. But I wanted to point out something that she said when Advocate Mshololo asked her, is there a criminal offense if it is proved that Kelly Khumalo and accused number 5, who is Isivikelo Ntuli, had any communication? Is there an offense? And the investigating officer said she did not want to comment. So Mzansi, in the comment section down below, that was thought-provoking for me. Quite honestly, there is no offense if party A and party B are talking to each other. But in this case, it is Nkabi plus a baby mama, and SENZO MEYIWA died. So does that therefore now become an offense? And can they prove beyond reasonable doubt? Let's not forget that. Can they prove beyond reasonable doubt? Kelly Khumalo spoke to Isivikelo Ntuli to hire him as an Nkabi to take out her baby daddy, SENZO MEYIWA, who alleged was getting back together with his actual wife, Mandisa. Comment down below, Mzansi, and thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and catch you on our next upload.